Hi there, this is Ashlyn with WTI. If you're tired of packing multiple chargers for your devices while you travel, I have the solution for you. It's this MagicMount travel wireless charger by Scosche. My favorite thing about this charger is you can charge your phone and your AirPods at the same time. You unfold it and prop it up, or you can lay it flat and it can charge both at the same time too. I also love that it folds up and it doesn't take up very much space when I need to take it on the go. Not only is it great for traveling, I also love to use it when I'm working. I work from home and I am on the phone with different customers, and being able to prop up my phone and charge it at the same time has been a lifesaver. I also really love the quality of this product. It comes with a 4-foot braided cord that has a right angle charger. So if you're thinking about buying this travel charger, I definitely recommend it. And that's my point of view.